Today we're diving into DIRECTV Internet. With so many options out there, you might be wondering if it's really worth your time and money. Let's take a closer look at what they offer and whether it lives up to the hype. DIRECTV Internet primarily focuses on delivering high-speed internet services, especially for customers in areas where traditional broadband options are limited. It's especially appealing to those who are already using DirecTV for their TV services, as it offers bundled packages that can simplify billing and provide some savings. One of the first things you notice is the straightforward setup process. Users can typically get online quickly, which is a plus for those who may not be tech savvy. The service promises speeds that can handle streaming, gaming, and multiple devices, which is essential for modern households. However, the user experience can feel a bit mixed. While some customers report solid performance, others express frustration with inconsistent speeds and service interruptions. The website doesn't provide detailed information about coverage areas, which might leave potential customers in the dark about whether they can even get the service. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, if you're already a DirecTV customer, bundling services can lead to savings and convenience. The installation process is generally user-friendly, and many users appreciate the straightforward billing. On the flip side, there are some significant drawbacks. Customer feedback often highlights issues with service reliability and speed fluctuations, which can be a deal-breaker for those relying on stable internet for work or gaming. Additionally, the lack of transparency regarding coverage can be frustrating for potential users, as you might not know if you can even get the service until you dig deeper. Overall, if you live in an area with limited options and are already using DirectDev, it might be worth considering. But for those who have access to other providers, it may be wise to explore alternatives. In conclusion, the Internet has perks, particularly for existing customers looking for a bundled deal. However, the potential for inconsistent service and unclear coverage details may deter some. If you're looking for reliable internet, it's worth weighing your options before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.